That sudden cold squelch of dishwater hitting your skin through a tiny hole in a cheap glove is enough to ruin your mood for the entire afternoon. Most of those thin supermarket options are basically disposable, even when they claim they are not. They tear at the seams. The fingertips wear through after just a few heavy scrubbing sessions. It is time to look at something that actually treats your hands like they deserve protection. We are talking about a heavy-duty 3-pack of rubber gloves. These are built like a tank for your chores. These things use a double-layer construction that you can actually see. The outside is a solid black. The inside is a vibrant orange. That layering is what gives them their backbone. They feel thick and substantial. They do not make your hands feel like clumsy clubs, though. One of the smartest design choices here is the grip. If you look at the palms and the fingers, there is a built-in dotted texture. This is a lifesaver when you are handling wet glassware. It is great for a heavy, soapy pot, too. It gives you the friction you need. Things do not just slide right out of your hands and shatter on the floor. It is all about that confidence while you work. Another huge plus is the temperature resistance. These gloves can handle water up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Do you like using boiling hot water to get those dishes truly sterile? These will keep your hands comfortable. The heat does the work while you stay protected. They are also completely waterproof against harsh chemicals and detergents. You can move from scrubbing the bathroom tile to washing the car. You do not have to worry about anything soaking through to your skin. The cuffs are rubberized and extended. This gives you solid coverage up your forearms. This is a game changer. It prevents that annoying splashback from entering the glove. You can reach into deep buckets or clean out the pool filter with no issues. Now, full disclosure, when you first crack open the package, you are going to notice a distinct rubber smell. It is pretty standard for high-density rubber products. Just toss them in a well-ventilated area for a bit. That scent will fade away on its own. The best part is that you get 3 pairs in one go. You are not left hanging if one pair eventually meets its match against a sharp edge. You have backups ready to go immediately. They even offer a wide range of sizes. This is great for anyone who usually struggles to find a pair that does not cut off their circulation. They will not flop around at the fingertips either. They even have extra large options. Maintenance is nothing more than a quick rinse under the tap. It is a straightforward, rugged solution for anyone who's tired of the flimsy stuff. Whether it is the garage, the garden, or the kitchen sink, these layers are built to take the hit. Your hands do not have to. You can rely on the material to stay flexible even when the water is cold. It is about having a tool that makes the unpleasant tasks feel a little less daunting. Think about how much easier it is to scrub a greasy grill when you know your hands are totally shielded. These gloves are meant for the real, messy work of keeping a home running. They do not quit halfway through the job. You get 3 chances. With this level of thickness, those 3 pairs are going to last you a very long time. They are tough. They are reliable. They are perfect for the dirty work.